Hi friends, welcome to my channel Sing the Real King. Disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered analyst. This video is intended for purely education purpose. This is not any kind of buy sell recommendation. Any kind of entry exit, please do with your own due diligence. Duration, Sing calls 1 to 8 weeks. Positional calls 1 to 4 months. If you are considering any of my recommendation, please do trial your stop loss to next levels for reduce the risk and preserve the profits. How to enter? There was some doubts or queries regarding how to take entry in the suggested stocks. If stocks are opening with a huge gap up and the stop loss or risk reward ratio is very high, avoid such stocks. Any retrace to suggested levels on reversal we can consider it. If the stocks are huge gap down opening, we can consider it on reversal. Small gap up, small gap down or flat opening, depending upon market condition, we can decide the entry. Most of the global indices are closed at a flat, minor positive or minor negative. Nasdaq just closed with 14 points positive. Dow Jones and the Dow Jones future closed with minus 46 and minus 57 points, minorly negative in both Dow Jones and the Dow Jones future. S&P 500 closed with just 3 points negative. SGS Nifty closed at 16,206, that is minus 21 points. India VIX closed at 18.39. Volatility came down in Indian indexes. And other Asian as well as European market also in the same trend, minorly negative, flat or minorly positive. As per global cues, most of the global cues are at flat, minor or positive closing. Most likely to Indian indices may open flat opening. In the upper side, 16,362 to 16,480 range could be the first resistance zone. If breaks these levels, we can expect Nifty may rally till 16,800 levels. Nifty most likely to take support at a 16,000 to 15,950 levels as a first support. 16,000 acts as first psychological support, and if breaks down these from these levels, next support likely to take at 15,750 to 15,700 levels. Let's do the review for last week calls. First stock in our list was insecticide, made high of 921, achieved second target. Second stock was Monte Carlo, made high of 799, achieved all our 4 targets. This stock can carry for coming weeks also. Third stock, ITC, made high of 294, achieved our first target. Jamna Auto was our fourth stock, made high of 135.550, achieved our first target, very close to second target. Fifth stock in our list, FCL, made high of 196, achieved our first target. Sixth stock, ASAL, automotive stamping, made high of 545, achieved our third target. And the last stock in our list was Uptown, made high of 79.90, achieved our second target. Let's do analysis for this week's in call picks. First stock in our list is Arman Finance, CMP 1322. Arman Finance given 52 and a double top breakout, high probability to perform. Arman Finance target we can keep 1345, 1380, 1440, 1510. Stop loss we can keep 1146 on closing basis. Arman Finance, very good stock. We can expect good rally in this counter. Next stock, TCPL, as similar as Arman Finance, about to give 52 and a double top breakout. Expecting good volume breakout in TCPL in coming days. CMP 967, target we can keep 1005, 1060, 1100, 1130. and stop loss on closing basis below 864. TCPL we can consider on breakout. It highly probability to perform. Voltam, this stock we are recommending third time in a row in this recent weeks. Very good stock. CMP 3249. We can keep 3285 as first target, 33400, 3400 and 3520. Stop loss 3140 as on closing basis. Voltam is very good stock. We can keep hold for longer duration also. Fourth stock in our list, Monte Carlo, CMP 789. It was our last week pick as well. Achieved all our recommended target in the last week, and Monte Carlo we can still in the bullish range. We can keep target for Monte Carlo 810, 846, 900 and 925. Stop loss we can keep 712 on closing basis. Monte Carlo very good stock. We can expect good rally this week also. Fifth stock in our list, Kernex CMP 220. The stock has consolidated for many weeks and given very good breakout with the volume in the last week. And the Kernex closed UC price on the Friday. We can expect very good rally in the stock this week as well. Target we can keep for Kernex 227, 234, 243 and 252. Stop loss we can keep 201 on closing basis. Next stock in our list, M&M Finance CMP 198. M&M Finance last week rallied with very good volume and still showing bullishness in this counter, and we can expect the similar rally in this week as well. So target we can keep for Mahindra and Mahindra Finance 203. About 203 we can expect very good rally, 212, 224, 232, and we can keep the stop loss on the closing basis 187. Next stock in our list, Tata Motor DVR, the CMP 220. Last 3 trading session showing very good momentum in this stock, and the volume also supporting for this rally, and closed on Friday at a day high price. We can see very good momentum in this stock. Target we can keep for Tata Motor DVR 230, 242, 250, 264, and stop loss we can keep on closing basis 197. Eighth stock in our list, Aztec Life Science Limited CMP 2078. Agri-chemical business expected to do well, as monsoon and agri business can do well as per the reports. We can expect good rally in Aztec Life Science as well in coming days. Target we can keep 2110, 2170, 2240, 2330, and the stop loss we can keep for Aztec 1940 on closing basis. APAR Industries, the last 2 weeks we recommended this stock and given very good return in this stock. Bullish momentum can continue in this stock. We can expect good rally. Target we can keep for APAR Industries 1070, 1105, 1160, 1220. Stop loss we can keep on closing basis 936. Last stock in our list, Shoppers Stop CMP 523. Showing very good momentum in this counter. We can keep the target for Shoppers Stop 538, 554, 570 and 595, and we can keep stop loss on closing basis 476.